Again, yeah, ito na lang ang gusto kong palitan. This is my profile picture. Kasi gusto ko siyang palitan kasi parang ah gusto ko lang. So wala nang rason. Basta gusto ko lang siyang palitan. Okay? So, oh hi mga Jackonatics. So again, it's your Tutor Jacko at your service. Ayan. Okay, so may pa-musical na tayo ngayon kasi ibang level na tayo today. Alright. So, well again, today I'm gonna be, again, I'm gonna be continuing my, okay. So parang hindi na natin alam. Okay, so I will continue my Canva tutorial today. All right. So again, this is our Canva tutorial part 4. All right. So again, our part 1 is all about, how to make a thumbnail using Canva. Okay, and then of course how to improve the visual of your YouTube channel, your YouTube videos. Okay, so that's a thumbnail, and then also you have the one up there. Okay, so just look up, okay, for the link, and also in the description I also provided the link, okay, to that video. And then Canva tutorial part 2 is all about how to make your YouTube intro. Okay, so um, again, here's the thumbnail. Also, you can have it in also up there. Okay, is the link to that video. All right. And the third part of our video is about, how to also create a channel art, okay, of your YouTube channel. Okay, so channel art, for those who do not know, channel art is like a Facebook cover. Okay, so yun yung parang nakikita doon. And then once your viewer click your channel, yun yung una niya nakikita. And then at some point, channel art would also like explains what type of content, okay, you are making or you are creating. All right, so ando na yun lahat. And today we will um, also improve. One of the things that you need to improve in your YouTube channel is also your YouTube profile picture. Okay, it's like your logo. Okay, so it's a mixture of changing your profile picture, but I made my profile picture as a logo. Okay, so I used the logo feature in Canva. So you will see there, I used the logo picture and then change my profile picture. It's like a caricature. Okay. So that's it, okay? So let's proceed to the screen share. So I'm gonna pull it up now. Yes. Okay, so ayan guys. You know what? So andito na tayo ngayon sa screen sharing natin, and I'm here now in my YouTube channel. So again, bago lang ang channel ko na ito. So I just created this channel 2 months ago. Okay, so far ito na yung mga videos ko. So I think I have like 20, I have like 15, 16, 18. Okay, 18 videos in just 2 months. Ayan. Okay, so yung goal ko for this channel is pagandahin ko lang siya visually. Alright? So, ayan. So, I've already made, what, a good, I think it's a good, I don't know, but I think for me, okay, good channel art or banner art. Okay, so andyan. So, the channel art kasi would speak for what type of content you are actually creating. Okay? And then also in your channel art, you can also link your different social media accounts. Okay. So sa makikita niyo dito, meron ako nilagay, donate, PayPal. Okay. Di ba? Baka naman. Okay. So may mga generous na mga heart dyan. Okay. So you can donate. And also in the description of my videos, I also put my GCash. Bekkenemin. Okay. Yeah, donate PayPal. So baka naman pa shout out dyan, Mr. Beast. Okay, so Beke naman, mayroon tayong mga $100,000 dyan. Okay? So, available po yung aking PayPal account in my YouTube channel. Okay? So, it's very visible, Mr. Beast. Oh, Beke naman, Ivana Alawi dyan. Okay? And also, ito naman si Alex. Beke naman, Alex. Okay. Tony Talks. Beke naman dyan. Alright. Well, yeah. So, ang objective ko talaga for this channel is visually, maganda siyang tingnan. Okay? So, yeah. So, again, I make sure that I always have like a good thumbnail. Okay? Video thumbnail. So, ayan. So, may mga thumbnail yung mga ano ko, videos. Okay. So, again, yeah. Ito na lang ang gusto kong palitan. This is my profile picture. Kasi gusto ko siyang palitan kasi parang ah gusto ko lang. So wala nang rason. Basta gusto ko lang siyang palitan. Okay? So, tara, let's go back to Canva. Okay? So again, if you have not signed up for an account in Canva, it's free. So the link is available in the description of this video. Just click it. Okay? And then sign up for free. Alright, so, well, gusto kong gawin yung profile picture at the same time. Parang logo ko na rin in this channel. So, gagawa ako and like a logo. Okay? So, makikita mo naman agad dito. Okay? So, anong gusto mong gawin? So, may mga suggested na dito. And nandito na rin yung logo. So, kiklik na natin. It's actually 500 by 500. Okay? So, here we go. Okay? So, again, we will just put um, YouTube logo as our file name, okay? Para hindi tayo mahirapan at magkalisod-lisod sa paghahanap ng ating file name, ang ating file, okay? YouTube logo, okay? Let's put it that way, okay? So again, ako ayoko nang gustong mag-ano pa. You can actually use different elements, pero mas maganda na yung uh, mag-template na lang tayo, okay? So since it is a video tutorial, so bilis-bilisan natin ng konti. Okay, so I don't want my video tutorial for this particular video, will last for like an hour or more than an hour. Okay, so I think, yeah, recently I've tried this one and I kind of like it. So, and lalagay na lang tayo ng, tanggalin natin yung S. Okay, and then, gusto ko din maglagay ng, gusto ko pas malakihin pa ito. Let's make it double. Okay.
Maybe big. Okay. So for this one, let me put my name. Okay. Tutor. And then also this one. I would like to also bold this one. And I'm going to put of course, my name. Okay. So si Tutor Jacko lang naman yung aking name dito. Okay. So let's have it like 40 also. And this one also 40. Beke naman. What about this one? So I think, pili tayo. Let's, uy. I thought it was. Okay. And then, dali na natin ito. Copy na lang natin para hindi na tayo mahirapan at magkalisod-lisod. So, para hindi tayo mahirapan at magkalisod-lisod. And then, I'll try to move it up. Kasi maglalagay ako ng picture ko dito. Ayan, hopefully magkasya ito sa ano. Okay. Ayan. Okay, I think that will be okay. So, let's go to the element. Let's get loud. Let's get loud. Tinalang lyrics. Okay, so I'm gonna. So, let's try to look for a frame. Okay. Meron ako nakikita frame. It's still a circle frame, pero meron siyang kakaibang border. Alright, ganyan. Ganyan. Pero parang ano. Okay. And then, baba lang konti. Let's see. Okay, it's 3. Let's see kung pwede itong ano na ito, size na ito for the, ano natin, magkasya ba sa atin. So, ito guys. So, Tutor Jacko, and of course, since I already have like an uploaded photos here, so I can use them. Let's make it in the center. Gusto ko sana ito, ganito, pero let me just, I don't know, okay? Pero, mas maganda na siguro yung, my color. Let me just try it. And then, okay, so wait. So, whatever meron kayong, ano kayo, parang, masipiyat kayo, sabi saya naman tayo. Masipiyat ka dong, die. Wala. So, you can always redo. Okay, so magka-pindot ka na, mali yung pindot mo. So, you can always redo. Alright? So, I think, I'm okay with this one. Tutor Jacko. Okay. Ano, maghanap ng mga nandito sa ano. Okay. So, maybe we'll just have to, let's put it that way. So, ganyan. Okay? So, let's try to download and let's try to save it and let's apply it in our channel. Okay, so, hinahanap ko siya kung saan niya pwede i-save. Dyan na lang sa may downloads. Okay. Alright, so, dito na. So, let's try. Okay? Hopefully, magkasya yung, yung ating ginawang. So, let's click change. So, punta tayo dito. Ano? Okay. Parang meron pa siyang enough space na para ma-expand. Okay? So, huwag mo na. So, let's try to edit. So, ganito dito. So, you can do a lot of editing. You can always change. Okay? For the better. Okay. Mas maganda kasi yung mas malaki. So, let's have it 60 as well. Okay? Ganyan. And then, move a little close. No. So, I'm gonna move this down and then, I just wanna. So, hopefully, this fits. Okay? Doon sa ating, yan. I'm sorry. So, move natin konti. Oops, move na. Ganyan. And then this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then 10 also. Okay. So, para naman, wow yung pagkalagay. So, let's download again. Again, PNG yung gamitin kasi mas high quality yung PNG. Okay. So, ayan, save na siya. So, let's try changing my logo and my profile pic. So, let's see kung kasya ba siya. Ayan! Perfect! Okay. Wow, okay. Already text. So, I think that's it. Okay, so, let's have it done. And there you go. Okay? And just click publish. Okay. So, I think we're done now. So, let's, see. Okay. So, I think, okay na ako dito. So, meron akong profile pic. And then, it's like also my logo. Maybe in the future, I'll just try to make it in a caricature. Okay, so, parang logo talaga siya. Okay? So, yeah. Okay. Pero let me just, parang ayaw ko yung, the color. Is there something wrong with the color? Okay. So, maybe later, I'll just, change the background color. Like, for example, I want it.
I think mas maganda ito. Medyo, siya, medyo darker. Let me have it a little darker. Ayan. Okay. So, let's try again. So, ang dami na. So, let's do it again. Again, you can always check and edit. Okay, so you can always change, of course, here. So, mas maganda kasi mas light lang yung color. So, let's have it this way. And then publish. And yeah, I think that's it. Okay, so I think okay na ako dito. Ayan. And there you go. Okay, so ayan. Okay? So again, ayos na yung channel art ko or banner art. And then ayos na rin yung profile picture ko. So, okay na rin yung mga thumbnail ko. And then, yeah, I think successful ako to make my channel visually looking good. Sa akin lang yun. I don't know. Sa inyo. Okay, so that's it for our video for today. So I hope mayroon kayong natutunan with this tutorial. So yeah, if you want some, if you wanted to also watch my other videos about Canva, so you can also visit, okay? Just go into the description of this video and look for Canva tutorial part 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and if you are new to this channel, just hit that subscribe button and also click the notification bell so that you will be updated of my new uploads. I guarantee you guys, I'm gonna make your life, a lot easier because I'll be doing a lot of how-to videos that can really help you. Okay, how-to videos, anything and everything under the moon and the sun. Okay, kasali talaga ang moon kasi panggabi yun eh. Okay. All right. So that's it for today. And I'm looking forward again, okay, in my next video. Looking forward to seeing you again in my next video. So bye for now and enjoy the rest of your day.